Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best hot cold bidet is probably one of the most underrated bathroom upgrades you can make. This video will dive deep into the world of hot and cold bidets, exploring their features, benefits, and why they're quickly becoming a must-have for anyone seeking a superior clean. We'll cover everything from installation to everyday use, ensuring you have all the information you need to make an informed decision. Number 5. LUXE Bidet Neo 320, Hot and Cold Water Bidet. Introducing the LUXE Bidet Neo 320. This bidet attachment offers a superior clean with its innovative features. It's designed for your ultimate comfort and hygiene. Enjoy the luxury of adjustable warm water. It provides a more comfortable and effective clean. The hot water is easily sourced from your sink connection. The Neo 320 features dual wash modes for both rear and feminine cleaning. The rear wash offers a stronger flow, while the feminine wash provides a gentle, targeted clean. The guard gate protects the nozzles, ensuring a sanitary experience. The nozzles automatically retract after each use, keeping them clean and ready for your next use. Upgrade your bathroom in minutes with the easy-to-install Neo 320. It includes all the necessary parts and tools. It easily attaches to any standard 2-piece toilet. We stand behind our product with an 18-month warranty. Our customer care team is ready to assist you with any questions or concerns. Register online for an extended warranty. What we like. This bidet offers warm water for a more comfortable and effective clean. It also features dual wash modes, catering to both rear and feminine hygiene needs. If you are looking for a bidet that provides a superior cleaning experience with adjustable temperature and targeted wash options, you should consider this one. What people say. The water pressure is easy to adjust, and having both hot and cold water is a game changer. The dual nozzles work really well for both rear and feminine wash, and it cleans itself, which is super convenient. Installation was pretty simple, took me about 15 minutes with no special tools. Number 4. Zen Warm Bidet Attachment, warm water and easy install. Setting up this bidet is a breeze. In just 15 minutes, you can have it installed and ready to use. It's designed for a quick and straightforward setup. This bidet ensures a comfortable experience. It utilizes both hot and cold water to provide a completely customized temperature, so you won't be shocked by the cold. This bidet promotes a cleaner and healthier lifestyle. Water is the most effective way to ensure thorough cleaning, leaving you feeling fresh and confident. Maintaining hygiene is simple with this bidet. With a twist of a dial, the sprayer nozzles self-clean, eliminating the need for scrubbing and ensuring they are always spotless. The bidet offers full control over the spray intensity. This feature is especially useful for feminine hygiene and anyone recovering from surgery, providing a gentle and customized experience. What we like. This bidet is incredibly easy to install, taking only minutes to set up. It also provides warm water for a comfortable experience. If you value convenience and a quick upgrade to your bathroom, this bidet is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The bidet is easy to install. The water pressure is adjustable. The bidet has both hot and cold water options. Number 3. Renook Bidet Toilet Attachment for Hygiene. Tired of toilet paper? This bidet attachment is a game changer. It's a more hygienic and eco-friendly solution for your bathroom needs. Reduce your toilet paper consumption and save money. This attachment helps you save trees and reduce waste, making it a win-win for you and the environment. Enjoy the luxury of adjustable warm and cold water. You can customize the water pressure and temperature to your liking, providing a refreshing and comfortable experience. Choose between rear wash or feminine wash functions. The self-cleaning mode ensures the nozzles stay clean, providing you with the best hygiene. Install this bidet attachment in just 15 minutes. All the necessary accessories are included, and customer service is available to help if needed. This bidet is perfect for everyone, including those with limited mobility. Give the gift of comfort and hygiene to your loved ones. What we like. This bidet helps you save money and is environmentally friendly by reducing toilet paper usage. It also offers both hot and cold water options, along with multiple cleaning functions. If you are looking for a hygienic and eco-conscious upgrade, this bidet is ideal for you. What people say. The bidet is easy to install. The water pressure is adjustable. The nozzle is self-cleaning. Number 2. Bidet attachment for toilet, hot and cold water. This bidet attachment offers smoothing temperature control. You can adjust the water from cool to warm, providing a gentle and refreshing cleaning experience. It's much better than traditional toilet paper. It features dual wash modes. The rear wash provides a stronger flow, and the feminine wash offers a softer flow. This is especially useful during monthly cycles, catering to the unique needs of women. The nozzle has a 360-degree self-cleaning mode. You can activate it after each use, and it automatically retracts when turned off. This ensures a more hygienic and clean washing experience. With an advanced chrome knob, you can adjust the water pressure to your preference. The nozzle also has an angle controller. It's friendly to the disabled, pregnant women, elderly, and children. The package includes everything you need for easy installation. It fits most standard two-piece toilets and takes only a few minutes to set up. No special tools are required. What we like. This bidet allows you to adjust the water pressure and offers dual wash modes for a customized experience. It also features a self-cleaning nozzle for added hygiene. If you like to have full control over your cleaning experience, this bidet is a great choice. What people say. Really good bidet. The price is good for what you get. It has a self-cleaning nozzle, and for a hot and cold option it's a really good price. Installation was easy, I just wish the hose for connecting were a little longer. However, it works and the nozzle is adjustable so it can fit on majority of toilets. Water temp mixture was perfect, spray pressure was easily adjustable, and I really like the fact that you can manually aim the nozzle with a toggle type switch. Hot and cold water inputs allows for adjusting temperature to what you like on your tush hole. It's nice to be able to adjust the pressure and angle, as well. Number 1. ZMJH A201 Elongated Smart Toilet Seat. Introducing the ZMJH A201, a smart toilet seat designed for your ultimate comfort. It offers a luxurious experience with its advanced features, making your daily routine more enjoyable. Enjoy the luxury of unlimited warm water for a refreshing and hygienic experience. This feature ensures a consistent and comfortable wash every time you use it. The Vortex Wash technology provides a powerful yet gentle cleaning. It ensures thorough cleaning and a refreshing experience, leaving you feeling clean and confident. Feel the warmth with the electronic heated seat, perfect for those chilly mornings. It offers adjustable temperature settings, allowing you to customize your comfort. The built-in warm air dryer provides a gentle and hygienic drying experience. It eliminates the need for toilet paper, offering a more comfortable and eco-friendly solution. This bidet seat offers both rear and front wash functions for a complete and personalized cleaning experience. It provides a gentle and effective cleanse, promoting better hygiene. The integrated LED light provides gentle illumination, making it easy to use at night. It adds a touch of convenience and safety to your bathroom experience. What we like. This smart toilet seat provides unlimited warm water and features an electronic heated seat and warm air dryer for ultimate comfort. It offers a luxurious and comprehensive experience. If you are looking for a premium and feature-rich bidet, this is the one for you. What people say. This bidet toilet seat is great. It was super easy to install, and as long as you use the thread tape to keep leaks from happening, I had no leaks. It was a dream to install. Has most of features other higher priced units such as unlimited warm water, heated seat, air dryer. You can adjust the temperature of the water and seat. You can move the sprayer in different positions, and it has a water pressure adjustment, nozzle position and more. It has an auto mode that does 4 steps right in a row then done, such as cleaning, massage, dry, and stop. It's a really good buy for the money and is loaded with features. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.